everybody, this is Mike. I got a real quick and easy recipe for pumpkin spread. It's healthy and it's perfect for the fall all the way through the winter. I make it all the way from the start of the football season all the way through Super Bowl Sunday. Let's check it out. So, you take two 15-ounce cans of cannellini beans, rinse them, drain them, dry the beans, one 15-ounce can of pumpkin. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a quarter of a cup of orange juice. I like to use freshly squeezed orange juice, but you could really use any kind of orange juice. 2 cloves of garlic, peeled and halved, or however you like your garlic. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and then maybe a garnish like some fresh cilantro, or if you want to add some chili powder, you can add a teaspoon or 2. I don't particularly use chili powder, but you certainly can. Perfect bean dip for an appetizer. Like I said, I use it everywhere from the beginning of football season in September all the way through Super Bowl Sunday. But hey, you could use it whenever you want to bring a healthy bean dip to a party or any kind of event that you want. It's nice. Pumpkin spread dip.